Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome back to my craft room. It is a work in progress, and today I'm just doing a little bit more with my 6 cube organizer. I've got a lot of cards to make this weekend, so I'll be signing off. June is a big month in our family with a lot of birthdays plus Father's Day, so I've got some cards to make. But before I do that, I have a little organizing to do. I'm kind of just every weekend trying to do a little bit of organizing. So I have this 6 cube storage organizer from Target. It is the Brightroom line. This almost became a here's what not to buy video because I'm having a really hard time finding organization options that fit these cubes. If you don't have an organizer set up yet and you can go to Ikea, I highly recommend the Ikea Kallax units because they actually come with dividers that fit them. You can buy them separately. These do not have any such thing, and the dimensions are slightly different from the Ikea bookshelf, so you have to look elsewhere. And Target really doesn't sell options. The only thing they sell, and I did pick up a couple of these, is these cube bins, which are really fairly useless because they're just a bin. I am going to use 2 of them for either the bottom or the middle to kind of rein in this chaos. But I was really excited because Target came out with some new clear plastic storage, some really pretty drawers, kind of like the Home Edit style, like the really clean acrylic type organizers. And I was really excited because I was hoping that a configuration of them would fit these, and nothing, like technically they would fit, but they would leave a lot of extra space. And then if you tried to stack it, it was not sturdy enough to stack, which completely defeated the purpose. So I'll show you a little video of the units. There was like a side-by-side drawer and then like skinny drawers, and I liked them, but width-wise, they were gonna leave space on the sides, and then the top, they were too short and you couldn't stack anything on top, so it was just a waste of space. I'm super bummed because I really wanted that to be the solution. What I think I'm gonna do is order these custom MDF inserts from the Steady Hand. This is a small business, I believe located in Tennessee. I haven't ordered from them yet. I'll let you know if and when I do. It's a little bit more of an investment for the inserts, but they're very reasonably priced. Like even if I were to DIY it, it wouldn't be that much cheaper, honestly. I just haven't done it yet, but they create these inserts that have shelf dividers, and you can choose how many you want, and they make ones specifically for these Target Brightroom units as well as for the Ikea Kallax. So if you have the Target unit already, that might be a really good solution for you. I'll put their link below. Again, I haven't ordered from them yet, so can't vouch for them, but I'm hoping to in the near future. Anyway, I did get these 2 cube organizers because some of this stuff, like this stuff, I think I'm actually going to take out because it's just random paper and chipboard and just stuff that's never going to look pretty. So I'm going to tuck it away in here and just kind of file through it, and it'll still be organized, but it will be out of sight. That's what I've got going on here. I'll go ahead and put some music on over the cleaning process here, and I hope you find it relaxing. But have a great weekend or a great week whenever you're watching this, and the next video I should have some finished cards to share with you and some other stuff. I do want to do a deep dive at some point on how I did my die storage, so I gotta do that too. But anyway, this is the video for this week, and I hope to see you in the next one.